All right, this video is going to show you how to insert your Bitmoji classroom into a Canvas page and also how to make it your home page, as well as add a button to the bottom of your home page. Okay, so you are in your Bitmoji. This is my Bitmoji library in Google Slides. I'm going to go to File, Publish to Web. You're going to want to choose the embed code. Okay. If it doesn't say published, then you'll want to publish it first, and then this will appear. So you're going to copy that. All right. You're going to go back to your Canvas course. Okay. So I am going to go to a page. I'm going to say view all pages because I have several here. I'm going to add a page. Okay. I'm going to click on my my rich text editor, and I'm going to paste in that embed code. I'm going to click save and publish. Oh, I need to title it, sorry. Virtual library take 2. You can see how many times I've recorded this video so far. All right, so it's going to take you to this page here. You're going to want to view all pages. When you view all pages, it's going to, it has my Bitmoji library here. I want to make sure that is green and published. And I want to set as home as front page. Mine's already set as view all pages. Virtual library take 2. Set as front page. Then I'm going to go to my home. I'm going to choose home page. And it says pages, front page, and you want to make sure that that says the title of your Bitmoji classroom. So then I click save, and then I have this as my new home page. So this will be the first thing that students see when they log in. They'll come to their home page, and it'll be your classroom. Okay, if you want to add a button at the bottom of that, so what you're going to do is you're going to click edit. You're going to scroll to the bottom here. You're going to want to click just after that slide. I always hit enter so it gets a little bit bigger. But you're going to want I'm going to want my button to be at the bottom. So I'm going to make sure that my cursor is below the classroom. I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to say upload image. And I have a lot of buttons that I've already downloaded. So a button, the only thing a button is it's an image. So you can choose whatever image you want. Okay, I have a lot of images here. I'm going to choose the one that says attendance because I want to add an attendance button. So that is going to, I leave all that alone. I'm going to click submit. It's going to be large, but I can always resize it. So I'm going to resize it down. I always try to take note of how big I'm making that image. So I like to make it between 180, 190. They're all so that my other buttons that I add will be about the same. So I have my button here, and now all I have to do is link it to whatever I want that button to do. So I just click the link button. You can choose an external link if you want it to link to something outside of Canvas, or you can link it to something within your course. So I want it to link to something within my course. So I'm going to choose an assignment, and I want it to link to, for example, this practice quiz. Okay, I know that that doesn't match what it says here, but just for the sake of the video. So then you're just linking it to that. Okay, then I click save. Okay, I got my button here. I'm going to go home just so that I can make sure everything looks about the same. And I'm going to click that button, and it should take me to that quiz that I want. And there it is. Go back here. So that is how you can add a button in your Bitmoji to your Canvas classroom.